What's up YouTube, John Wheels, and today we're going to be showing you and fixing my Traxxas Stampede RC car. Alright guys, so this is my Traxxas Bigfoot, and I got this a while ago, and some of you might have seen it in the intro. Now, I've had a few upgrades done to it. I put wheelie bars on the back because this thing kept flipping over backwards, and then I also got these MIP metal axles, and they're nice because they won't break. The axles that I had before, they kept twisting out the plastic axles that came with it, so these ones work well. So the problem was I lost one of these screws for the axle in there, and it completely just fell out when I was driving it. So I bought a new pack, and then I lost them. So it took like 3 months to get in, and I lost it for another like 2 months. So I couldn't use this thing. For those of you who might have RC cars and be wondering, I have been charging the batteries about every week just so that the batteries wouldn't die. So now I'm going to get to opening these up and putting them in. Scissors. Perfect. So now we have our 4 little screws. Perfect. Also, one more upgrade. This bumper right here, this is an aftermarket bumper. This is too hard with the camera. Alright, so there's a good camera angle. Now we're going to feed this down through there. Ah, perfect. And we can spin the axle a little bit. Oh boy. Alright, now this should just thread right in. Perfect. Now we got it tight long ways. Now we can do the short ways where the tip on the top. Alright, so I have Andy here with me. He's going to help me. And luckily, whenever... Here, put your face down here so you can see. So luckily, whenever I took this apart originally, so I wouldn't have to put it all, like take it apart and then put it together. Whenever I finally did get the parts, I bagged it up in this box. So now what I can do, bag, sorry, and that's staying in the video. The clips and stuff are just for the body and the batteries, so those aren't necessary right now. But this little bushing piece, is that visible on camera? You want to go ahead and slide that on that axle, Andy?
Does it have to be some way?
Yeah, that's the right way.
Okay.
And then we push it in. It should be pressed fit. Okay. Now, this has like a slotted section. We can slide that on. See what the others. I'm gonna take off the other wheel because I don't know which way this goes. Andy, you wanna take this off? So there's this little cross tool, and then we'll just pop the wheel right off.
Can I do it?
Yep. Here, I gotta hold the axle.
other one's so much easier.
Perfect. Now the tire slid off. Oh. And it was facing this way, which is the correct way. So now I can slide it on with this way facing out. Gotta find the notches in there. Oh, and it has a set screw. So what I'll do is I'll get an Allen key and loosen it and then tighten it back up. Alright, so I'm back with the Allen wrench and I can loosen this up. Now it should slide on. Should. Okay, we're on. Now we can pop the said screw back on. Get her nice and snug. And then, Andy, you want to go ahead and slide the rear tire on.
This one? Yeah.
Wrong way. There we go. And I'll work on the other side.
Do you put the things on?
What?
Do you put the...
Yeah, put the little... Don't do it too tight. We've had this problem before of tightening it too tight. And now I can do my side. Alright, perfect. Now we can take a battery, slide it in there, pop her up. Then you can take this little bridge piece, put it underneath there. Now you can take your two little clips, slide them on there. Perfect. And now we can get the shell. Perfect. Alright. So here's the shell. And this should pop back on. This is a classic Bigfoot shell is what it's called. Perfect. And now we can take our 4 clips, pop them on.
I don't know if you can see. I just want to show you the detail that's in this. Like, they took the time to put, like, all the racing stickers on and, like, powered by Ford 640, the Bigfoot.
640.
Yeah.
Be nice. And then
Firestone, the awesome KC lights, the dual carbs, and,
all this stuff is a separate piece from the shell. And what's cool is these KC lights, they pop off, so whenever you flip it upside down, it won't crack it. It'll just pop off, and then you can go get it. So now,
or if if you're doing things that would like involve those, might like the RC car might like flip over, then you can take it off if you know that stuff's gonna be happening. And by the magic of YouTube, I will be cleaning that, and next time you see it, it will be perfect. Now.
Okay, well, the clutch is slipping. Just did a little thing real quick. This is a pain in the butt because I have to take off all... Wait, no, not too many. Just 2 screws. So, this will pop off eventually. And I don't even feel like putting the cover back on because it's not necessary. Maybe if I go in the mud or something. The mud. Go in the mud. Okay. Now I gotta take off the tire to get to the second screw.
Oh no.
This is pain in the butt. And the reason that I have the tires in backwards direction, it can be different for traction. If the arrows are pointing forwards, that's good for pushing like mud away from the tires and stuff. Kind of, and then in kind of like pulls it into the center of the tire. All right, Andy had to go up, so I'm gonna pop this shell on one-handed, and it'll probably have to be clip by clip because I'm filming. There's one, two, three, 4. Stay tuned for the next video in this series because we'll get to drive it. Thanks for watching. This is John Wheels. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment below to tell me what you thought.